idea about that because I'm never on a site. I'm always in my villages. So for me, I need people who will go out of their way to find me. You know, I didn't know Prashant Nair before. He and Sanjeev Moria decided to cast me. They took my audition for a month. I've been talking, we discussed and everything, and they casted me for that. You know, so but I didn't have to be friends with them. No, and I don't want to be like, you know, in a way that, you know, just be friends with people because I should be part of it. No, I come, I would like to work, I would like to give my 100% heart and soul into the project. You know, be nice on sets, be on time, be reasonable. You know, today if you look at the people who post a single post on a social media charges more than an actor who worked for 10 years. But I still believe that, you know, an independent cinema has to be protected and supported. Similar way in a series also, you should not be that much where new creators will have more pressure. So I would like to do everything on my basis, because if you are giving me something to chew on, you know, and that's the only demand I have, that give me something where I can just go all out of my way. And then I'll be in my villages building schools and, you know, reviving rivers and work with my farmers. So don't put that pressure on me that I have to have a 1 million follower or 5 million follower, because that is a never ending process. We were just discussing about starism and all that. Trust me, you know, कोई खुश नहीं रहेगा. 5 मिलियन भी फॉलोअर हो जाए या 10 मिलियन भी हो जाए या नाम हो जाए और आपने मतलब पता नहीं क्या ही कर लिया, फिर भी वो कम ही है हमारे यहाँ पे. तो हम किसे स्टार कह सकते हैं आज हमें नहीं पता, क्योंकि कल कुछ भी हो सकता है, आप कहीं भी नहीं हो सकते. मुझे लगता है कि जब आपको कुछ काम मिला है, how much fun you are having, how much, like me and Amar, you won't believe it, me Amir, we used to discuss so much about women, about their lives, about men, about, you know, तो ये conversation मेरे लिए पूंजी है, rather than, you know, क्या मुझे वो ये है. इसलिए आउट ऑफ साइट आउट ऑफ माइंड ज़रूरी नहीं कि हमें रोज़ मिलना ही चाहिए, बट हम क्रिएटिव फोर्सेस है जो हम भले एक दूसरे से ना भी मिले तो भी हमें समझ में आता है, बिकॉज वी थिंक सिमिलर वे, वी फील सर्टन थिंग्स. तो ऐसे क्रिएटर्स के साथ मुझे हमेशा काम करने में मज़ा आएगा, रादर दैन, यू नो, कि आपका क्या स्टार सिस्टम है, आप किसको जानते हो, आपने कितने अवार्ड्स जीते और आपने मतलब कितने फॉलोअर्स हैं, ऐसे लोग.
But I also feel out of sight, out of mind does not apply to her. Yeah, I mean, her work is so powerful. You cannot forget it. It's not, she's always there when you are thinking of people who are strong performers, people who are bold to take, you know, roles that sometimes can be contentious, you know, and push the envelope, you know, sort of break some boundaries. Some people's names will come to your mind and hers is on top of it. Like, I mean, I think,
I feel there are people in the industry who don't want those, like, you know, regular kind of thing. They go out of their way to find people. Kare wo project mein unhone, because they are the creators, you can say. They are the some casting directors. Like Mukesh Chabra called me for this, you know. So he had even casted me for Sacred Games also. You know, so I feel कि there are people who would like to find you, you know, and say that कि उसको ले लो या उसका audition ले लो. And I have given audition for everything, and I feel that I'm really happy that, you know, the creators see that I can do something and then wants me to be part of it.